They're going off on a semi-autonomous experience. They're going off on their own. They're responsible for themselves to a certain extent in a different setting than the home setting or in a friend's house. So this pushes them and it challenges them and it makes them be self-reliant, but they're still in a familiar grouping of people. So it's a great way to stretch them while they still have comfort of familiarity.
We also had wild sky raptors come in, and it was super cool to be able to see those live animals up close because you could physically see the bird in front of you. You could feel the wind rush your face when they flap their wings. It was cool.
I have different organizations come in, so I might have Montana Fish, Wildlife and Parks come in, talk about bears. I might have Department of Natural Resources and Conservation, or DNRC, talk about fire ecology. So I really try and get scientists that are in the field doing the work right now to teach the kids about what their job is and how they're impacting the land.
For my oldest daughter, when she came home, I heard about the Native American games and learning to throw the adlatl. That was very cool. The whole overarching experience was so engaging and interactive that they just couldn't stop talking about all these little different pieces and parts of Montana Outdoor Science Academy.
Most favorite parts of outdoor school was being able to be like a kid while you're still learning so much, because the learning there didn't feel like normal learning. It felt so much more fun, so you're able to explore that with all of your friends and without seeming like the stress of normal school.
Customizing the courses allows for the school to really get what they want to learn. So if there's things that the school's already gone over, you can pick other courses to do at Montana Outdoor Science Academy that relate to the landscape that's actually out here. That way you get what you want.
They're exposed to subject matter that isn't something that you would see in the typical course of learning, that opens their minds to experiences that they wouldn't otherwise have. I think it really lights a passion within a student. They leave there with a craving for more, so it ignites that fire to learn and to broaden their experiences at the Science Academy.
Big proponent of it is I'm trying to unplug these kids from phones and devices and try and get them plugged into the outside, doing stuff, exploring, connecting, appreciating Montana in and of itself, and then hopefully take it back to their state and help them conserve areas and just appreciate the outdoors.
I would totally recommend anyone coming to this because it's an experience that you can't really get anywhere else.